Rockets whistling? Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? Wrong! The whistling in rockets, especially in those with throttling orifices, can signal a serious issue: combustion instability. Here's the lowdown. When rockets are throttled, these orifices generate acoustic waves. If unmanaged, these waves can mess with combustion, creating instabilities. Picture it like this: unstable pressure, fluctuating temperatures, and vibrations. All of this jeopardizes the rocket's performance and safety. Researchers are diving into the acoustic behavior of these orifices to design more reliable rockets. So next time you hear a rocket whistle, remember, it's a clue to its inner workings.